Announcing the arrival of the POT chair, the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, rebel candidate in 2019 election, Yemi Akinwonmi.
I thank God Almighty for today. He's the owner of today, he's the owner of tomorrow, he's the owner of yesterday. He's the maker and finisher of our faith. He has possible for us to see light of day because of God. We have to adore him and worship him. PDP is not dead. Contrary to what people are saying in the media, in the social media, I'm happy today by evening, then when they see us in television, hugging ourselves, laughing and yelling, they will know that PDP is alive. PDP is coming stronger than before now. There's a little squabble in PDP party. It's not my own making. It's not making of my colleagues. It's a situation that calls for it. And we have responded to it quickly. We have closed ranks. We have brought our house to order. Let me use this occasion to thank the father of PDP, the chairman of POT, for his tireless effort. The late Saturday night we were in his house. And today, I invited him socially to come and join us in PDP, in the working committee, to come and observe us. People say the words of elders are the words of wisdom. He came and he gave us a wonderful advice. All of us there, we applauded him. It was a full house, no dissenting voice. No one was left aside. And we had a useful meeting. My brothers and sisters, we have to come together. PDP has come together. I am a man of peace. My leaders said they know me, that I'm a man of peace. I don't quarrel. I have nothing to lose. I have nothing to hide. I will not stay a day longer than a normal. If you ask me to stay, I will not. Immediately, I have accepted the October end of our decision. And we will soon set the machinery of the convention in motion for everybody. We will set the ball rolling for us to have another convention, have brand new officers to come and pilot further. Myself, I'm tired. I'm going back to my farm. I'm a farmer in Ogun State. I'm anxious to go back to my farm. So I have no business in Abuja. But it's only, I'm a child of circumstance. I have to come at this time to salvage the party. And with the support of you leaders, my leaders, all of you present, I will navigate the ship to a successful end. I enjoy us, all of us. Let us work together. My office is open 24 hours. Some people are saying that I'm incapacitated. I am not incapacitated. I am not incapacitated. I have challenges. And because of lack of funding, I have no money. If I have money, I'll be in Dubai now. Baba BOT had challenges of the stroke before, but by now he went to Dubai. But now he's stronger than the 50 years old son. Well, whoever loves me, who believes me, make money for me. Help me to make money to go to Dubai. Baba will teach me the place. Will show me the place, and I'll come back a strong Nigerian. I am a PDP to the core. Since the inception of PDP, I have remained in the party. I have not left for another party. And I will not leave for any other party. Every atom of my blood is PDP. I thank you once again for taking pain to come from various places. In unity, we shall succeed. In unity, PDP will regain presidency again. Let us work hard. This is the time for PDP to win. This is the time better than the other times. The whole Nigeria now is crying for it. They are expecting PDP. This is the time we should be united. This is the time there should be no acrimony in us. So so that we inherit what is our purpose, a stolen property, our stolen property, we shall be done by the grace of Lord, inshallah. Thank you.
PDP! I'd like to thank the chairman of the BOT for his wonderful speech, which in fact is setting the right tone for this meeting. I'd like to thank members of the National Working Committee for settling the little matter that was discomforting yesterday when it appeared as if we had two acting national chairmen. Thank you very much for abiding by our party's constitution, which determines who should take over the reins of power in the party in the absence of the elected national chairman. I fully support the acting national chairman South for being the person in charge at this time. And I can see that he's in good health, good spirit, and very coherent. And so everyone can see that he is capable of doing the work at hand.
More importantly, let me also commend the acting chairman, who really is a call to duty, who has accepted it and who is carrying out diligently. This is the greatest sacrifice that a man or woman can do for his party, and we appreciate that. I think more of the comments will be after we're left alone as members of BOT, but I think the message that is coming out from our efforts at national reconciliation, what we are seeing today, is that this is a party of men and women that appreciate the importance of the moment, not only in our party, but in our country.
Your Excellencies, I'm sorry for
say that we received an order of the court and that the chairman has obeyed that court order and that the party on its own has received that court order and is studying the court order. And I said that's where we are. That's where we are. Yes, buddy?
I think
and that might form part of what will be discussed in subsequent meetings. But as far as I speak now, what the party has decided is that the acting chairman, Elder Yemi Akinwonmi, who is constitutionally provided for to stand in when the national chairman, by any reason, is not available, has moved in. He has been adopted by the National Working Committee. The motion was moved and it was carried. So as we speak, he's in the acting capacity. Well, I don't know, and I have no capacity to speak to the tenure of the interim chairman. It's not interim chairman. Our constitution provides for acting capacity. So I do not have answer to the issue of what the courts will do or what the courts will not do. And like I've always said in many of our discussions, in the People's Democratic Party, we respond to facts We respond to issues. We don't engage in sophistry and others. So as far as the People's Democratic Party is concerned, we have taken a decision as required by the Constitution, 2017 as amended. What follows thereafter will also necessitate the decisions and actions of the party. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.